I am representing the Mindanao Garden Club Incorporated, which is hosting the Agri-Trade Fair at the back of SM. And we have been partners for a very long time, over 20 years na siguro kami nandito. Kasi loyal kami, this is our second home sa SM. So, we have started, we are on from August 1 to August 31, yung aming Agri-Trade Fair. We are having our plant contest, our orchid contest, yung waling-waling natin, makikita ninyo yan, and yung ating landscape contest, which will be judged on August 10, arriving ang ating mga judges from all the way from Manila and Cebu. And we will be formally opening on August 12. Lahat kayo imbitado po. Okay. Yung contest namin sa orchids, we have category, iba yung sa waling-waling, and malaki din yung papremyo doon. Kasi yun yung pinaglalaban natin sa na maging national flower, di ba? Because sa pagkita naman is hindi naman sa atin talaga yung original. But anyway, with waling-waling, I think our first prize is something like 10,000 pesos. And another category of the orchids is, ito, nakikita nyo sa harap, that is Phalaenopsis. And then merong mga Cattleya, and then mixed genera. With regards to the other ornamental plant contest, we have aroids, we have philodendrons, ferns, and palms, and cycads. We are inviting everyone. Lahat ng mga may magagandang halaman, you can join us. Kahit hindi kayo member ng organization namin, we welcome everyone. Basta ang entrance fee lang namin, kung hindi kayo member, is doubled. Like for example, for an ornamental plant, the entry fee is 100 for MGCI member. Pag hindi kayo member, that is 200. Kasi malaki ho yung premyo namin. First prize, I think, is 5,000. Second prize is 3,000. And the third prize is 2,000. So, not bad. So, lahat kayo, inaanyayahan ko kayo lahat. Dalhin nyo yung mga, submission of entries is August 9. Judging will be on August 10. Darating yung judges natin all the way from Manila, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, all over. So, yun po.
Di ba exhibitors all over galing Davao City lang?
Yes, hindi lang po Davao. Mayroon kaming as far as may mga taga General Santos, may mga taga Kitapawan, may mga taga from other places in Mindanao.
Ano lang sa mga exhibitors lang katong gusto nga mo visit and mo purchase?
You mean the prices of the goods na for sale. Actually, we are trying to standardize the pricing. Meron kami orientation sa aming members kasi nagkasunod pa lang sila karon eh. No, like we started, ang English started August 1. And so, nakasunod pa lang sila, especially yung out of town. We are going to hold our orientation para i-standardize na mo ang prices. Because hindi pwede nga na ay taas, na ay mubo. Kaya tendency magod anak, ang binagsakay sila ang presyo. That's why, meron kaming orientation. And hindi pwede nga magbinurahay sila o customer. Magsinuraay. So, sa amin dito, we are united. Meron kaming business ethics. I will do that on the orientation ngayong August 9 before our judging siguro.
How many exhibitors we have? How many from Davao City and how many from outside?
110 exhibitors, our stalls, commercial stalls. So, yung iba, merong isa, merong dalawa, pero mostly yan sila. Merong mga sa ornamental plants, meron tayo sa fruit trees, meron tayong sa fresh fruits, meron tayong ornamental chickens. Yung mga manok na pang pet na yung magaganda yung mga palong nila for pet siya. Hindi siya yung pangsabong hindi. And also, yung syempre yung pinagmamalaki natin dahil abundant ang ating prutas ngayon and very cheap. Talagang pwede good mo magmukbang sa prutas karon. Karon pasunod na nga among mga fruit trees vendors. So, please, adto mo dito kay barato. And in fact, naming members na nag-sale. Nakita niyo ito sa harap. These are already discounted prices. Nakita niyo yung fern, is a cobra fern. Karon gina-sale na dito sa pwesto, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 kung dagko. Mahal kayo na in the ano talaga sa regular price niya maabot na 8,000, 10,000 but it's being discounted now 2,000, 2,500. So discounted lahat ang among ano. So especially siguro kanang towards the end of the show.
Hindi ko na ko yung date. The exhibit will be up until
August 1 to 31. So, pero ayaw nyo wala ta ang ending kay basig wala na may mapalit. Kay daghan nag mag-sale. Oo. So, as early as possible.